Anytime you're going to be developing vertically, you're going to need to design a staircase. Staircases are great, but the more staircases we design, the more square footage we're going to use and the more complication we're going to add to construction. So in most cases, the less staircases, the less cost, and the more efficient the building. Of course, the building code regulates the maximum tread and riser, how steep a stair can be. But from a general level of understanding, a straight stair is going to be your most efficient staircase. And a straight stair has to end with a landing, which has to be 3 feet. So if you landed on the last step and then took a perpendicular step up to the finished floor, that could be even more efficient. Any fold-back stair, you're going to lose square footage and efficiency for the additional landings that are required, unless you're going to chop that landing up and do 45-degree angles. A spiral staircase is going to have the smallest footprint, but they're also the least practical. And if you're designing a staircase to take you to a roof deck, keep in mind that you want to exit with a regular door and not a hatch. So this could limit how you actually access that roof deck.